Welcome to online nursing education. Today's topic is blood, subject physiology. Blood. Blood is a connective tissue in fluid form. It is considered as a fluid of life. It is also known as fluid of growth. It is also called as fluid of health. Composition of blood. Blood has two major components. First one is plasma and second one is blood cells, or we can say formed elements. In that, first one is RBC, red blood cells or erythrocytes. Second one is WBCs or leukocytes. Third one is platelets or thrombocytes. You can see plasma and formed elements or blood cells. Properties of blood. First one is color. Blood is red in color. Arterial blood is scarlet red and venous blood is purple red. Next is volume. Average volume of blood in normal adult male is 5 liters and in females it is about 4.5 liter, and in a newborn baby it is about 450 ml. Next, reaction and pH. Blood is slightly alkaline and its pH is 7.4. Then specific gravity. Specific gravity of total blood is 1.052 to 1.061. Then specific gravity of blood cells is 1.092 to 1.101, and specific gravity of plasma is 1.022 to 1.026. Next is viscosity. Blood is 5 times more viscous than water. Functions of blood. First one is nutritive function. Second, respiratory function. Third, excretory function. Fourth, transport of hormones and enzymes. Fifth, regulation of water balance. Sixth, regulation of acid-base balance. Seventh, regulation of body temperature. Eighth, storage function, and last one is defensive function. We will see in detail about functions of blood in another video. Thank you for watching.